Snell 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe. Good day, pageant lovers! What a year it has been for the Philippines sa world of pageantry. July pa lang, pero we have 11 international crowns na agad ang nasungkit ng ating mga Pinay Queens. And as always, grabe tayong makalaban. And now let's do a quick rundown of our global wins so far. Miss Aura International 2025, Christian Alere. Unang bomba ng Pilipinas ngayong taon, Christian wowed everyone with her charm, elegance and intelligence kaya't sa kanya napunta ang corona. Miss Eco International 2025, Alexi Caimoso Brooks. Isang Eco Queen na tunay na empowering. Alexi brought home the Miss Eco crown with her strong advocacy and undeniable presence. Reina Hispano-Americana 2025, Dia Mate. Viva Pilipinas! Prove na kaya ng Pinay makipagsabayan kahit sa Latin-based pageant. Historic win for the Reina Hispano-Americana crown. Next is Miss Orient Tourism Global 2025, Patricia Bangug. Tourism Queen Alert, Patricia made sure na ang ganda at kultura ng Pilipinas ay mas mapansin sa buong mundo. Next crown is Miss Elite Global 2025, Francine Tahan Langit. Francine proved that she is a true elite with her poise and personality. Kaya naman sa kanya napunta ang corona. Next crown, Miss Queen of the World 2025, Rain Gonzalez. From local pageants to the world stage, Rain showed global audiences what true Filipina strength and grace look like. Miss Independent International 2025, Weskin Pacalso. Talk about beauty and brains. Weskin independence and advocacy work stood out kaya perfect fit talaga siya for this crown. Our next crown is Miss Youth International 2025, Megan Shinu. Representing the youth with fire and passion, Megan showed the world that Gen Z Filipinas are here to slay. Our next crown is Miss Chinatown Global 2025, Chris Go. Chris represented not just beauty but heritage. Kaya naman she won the Miss Chinatown Global crown with pride. Our next is Miss Sudamerica Global 2025, Joelle Divine Uy. Fresh from her victory, Joelle brought home another crown just this July. Ang ganda ng performance niya at panalong Pinay talaga. And our 11th crown is Miss Grand International 2024, CJ Opiasa. Ito na guys, history. CJ Opiasa is officially the first Filipina crowned Miss Grand International after the original winner resigned. From the first runner-up to the crown. Grabe, destiny talaga. So now ladies and gentlemen, imagine we have 11 international titles in just 7 months. Solid ang Pilipinas sa world stage this 2025. And we are just getting started. Abangan natin ang mga susunod pang laban at syempre, suportahan natin ang queens natin all the way. Like, share, and subscribe for more pageant news, updates, and reactions. Dito lang sa channel kung saan beauty meets pride. This is Snell 2204, your pageant blogger host. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for the subscribe.